If you go with them, I'm telling you what's finna go on, Latrina. Hey, y'all finna have to put me in cuffs, bro. Oh, my mama. They finna put me in cuffs, Latrina. I'm telling you.
On my mama. He ain't playing when he say on my mama.
Pull out them tasers. What's up?
Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Wannabe Gangster Loses It After His Pregnant Woman Dumps Him. Both get arrested.
What's going on, y'all?
Tell you what to tell them?
What did he do to her?
Or these people right here on the porch.
Go ahead and tell them. I don't care.
What's going on?
He bleeding?
You want to tell them?
You go ahead. I don't care.
She's out here. Mostly crack. You see my lip? See my shirt? See my arm? So, we just having an argument. But nobody doing that. She just hot.
And you ripped my purse, and you hit me with that goddamn chain on my stomach.
I did it.
Yes, you did. So, I don't care what y'all do to me, but y'all can
Nobody doing nothing.
I'm ready to go.
Exactly.
We're just trying to figure out what's going on.
He hit me.
Nobody
so
hit nobody.
We hit each other. So
No, we didn't.
y'all can ask everybody else on this
What in the crackhead is going on here?
street.
Yeah, ask him. Ask him. The man right there on the porch.
He ripped my purse.
Ask the man on
He
the
ripped my
porch.
purse. He ripped my purse.
Ask the man on the porch.
Y'all can. Oh.
Yeah, he been sitting there. Now go ahead. Now you want to do this? I said, let's go.
No, I said I'm going.
Well, you know where you for to go,
I don't
goddamn.
care.
I'm trying not to do
No,
this.
leave me the f
I'm trying not to do
I
this.
don't want you
So
no
you
more.
want to choose crack over me?
Oh.
Huh? You choose to crack over your f***ing dude? Are you serious?
I don't want you no more, dude.
Look, he telling them.
I don't care.
Bro, I'm not trying to do that to
I
you.
said leave me alone.
Because I love you.
I said leave
Hey,
me
can I
alone.
understand over
Man,
here?
no. Man, this is my wife, bro. I'm not finna try to
That's
turn
cool.
up on you.
Don't-
I'm not
don't-
finna touch her. And don't walk up on me.
Bro, let her smoke her crack, bro. Somebody choose drugs over you. That drug has got a hold of them that you can't have. You feel me? Just walk away. Unless you doing it with her. If you doing it with her, then y'all deserve to be together.
Now, Latrina just talked to me.
Leave me the f alone.
Latrina.
Leave me alone. Leave me
Because
alone.
Stop all this.
I said leave me alone.
Stop all
I
this.
said leave me alone.
Hey, man, shut the f up talking to me.
She don't want to talk to you, bro,
Nigga, this
so
my
just
wife.
leave it
Shut the
alone.
f up talking to me. Real. I don't give a f how deep y'all get. So,
Can you come here?
no.
Can you come here, man?
No, you see her walking?
Yeah.
Step back.
Man, this is my girl, man.
That's
You're not
cool.
gonna touch her.
Step
Let's
back before I
go.
put you in cuffs, man.
Man, you can put me in
I'm just trying to
cuffs.
figure out what's going on, man.
Nothing. Get the f back from me. Like, damn.
trying to figure out
I'm
what's
trying to
going
talk to
on.
my wife.
Okay, but why are you yelling at her?
I'm nobody yelling at her. I'm trying to
just
talk to
yelling
her.
at her.
No, because you're talking to me, bro. Just leave me the f alone. I'm trying to talk to her.
We can't just leave.
Yes, you can.
We can't.
Yes, you can.
Legally, we cannot.
Can you talk to me, man?
No, I
Should
can't.
they
She don't want to talk
listen?
to you.
Should they get out my face?
No, I don't want to talk to you.
Why though? Why though? Why though? Why?
I don't want to talk
Why? Hey, bro, back up off of me, bro.
Back up off of her then.
I'm talking to my wife.
Okay, but
And
she
y'all can
just said
surround me?
she doesn't want to talk
Okay,
to you.
bitch, you
We're
can't
not
stop me
trying
from
to
talking to her.
surround you.
You can't stop me from talking to her.
Okay,
It's a freedom
she
of
doesn't wanna
speech.
talk
It's a
to you.
freedom of speech.
She don't
It's not how freedom of speech works, bro.
want to talk.
Okay, you can't stop me from talking to her.
She don't want
It
to talk to
doesn't
you.
matter. It's a freedom of speech. The now, what's up?
I don't want to talk to you.
What's up?
I don't want to talk to
You say you love me. 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 Yes, you do.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
I
You know how I do. You know
I
how?
don't want you no more.
Yes, you do. And if you go with them, I'm telling you what's finna go on, Latrina. Hey, y'all finna have to put me in cuffs, bro. Oh, my mama. They finna put me in cuffs, Latrina. I'm telling you.
On my mama. He ain't playing when he say on my
And you can
mama.
pull out them tasers. What's up? Latrina, you gonna really make me do this?
Listen, man.
Hey,
Relax.
Hey, man, I'm not worried. What's up, Latrina?
Yeah, he be putting his hands on her. You can tell.
And I ain't scared of none of y'all. None of them tasers.
got-
Put your
you got-
gloves on. What's up, bro?
You got
What's
one
up?
more.
What's up? What's up? Now you gonna do this? Latrina, come here, talk to me.
She don't.
No!
Back up, man.
Latrina,
Come on,
talk
man.
to
She
me.
don't want to talk to you.
Man, get the f off of me, bro. Talk to me.
Hey,
Talk to
I don't know if y'all ever tried to fight a crackhead, but they strong. They really, really strong.
Stay back, man.
Hey, man,
She don't want to talk to you,
tase
bro.
me. Tase me. Tase me. And you gonna let them tase me? I ain't never letting that happen to you. You gonna walk with them out of me?
Come on.
Out of me? Out of me?
She
No.
don't want to talk to you,
Man,
bro.
no.
The entire situation worse.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Latrina.
You don't want to talk.
Latrina.
For
Latrina.
a different day.
After everything we've been through, you
You-
pregnant right now?
you just come
You
on.
pregnant right now? You gonna do this?
She don't look pregnant.
No.
doing too much, bro.
Latrina, talk to me, please.
He is.
Please.
She doesn't want to talk to you.
Man, shut the fuck up talking to me, bro.
You can shut the fuck up talking.
Man, on what? Latrina, please. I'm telling you, please. I'm not gonna touch you. Please don't.
Come on, we right here.
Pregnant with my child, Latrina. Talk to me. Talk to me. Man, Latrina. Bro,
Is he finna get in that with her?
Latrina. Latrina. Come on. Come on.
It's like a big kid.
Let me go. Let me go. No. Traitor. Traitor. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let me go.
Relax.
No.
gotta
She want to get out. She want to get out.
You gotta relax,
Let me
bro.
get the tape off.
You have to relax, man.
She want out. You don't hear a
Relax.
bitch.
Let me talk to you, bro. Come here.
No.
Come on,
She
man.
want out.
Listen, let me
She
talk
want
to you.
out.
Sit right here. Sir, you chill out.
No, I'm not chilling, Dad.
Bro, man, she don't. Bro, you doing too much, boy.
Facts.
You doing way too much right now, bro.
Hey, man.
She don't want to.
No.
You
No.
don't want to talk. She
No.
don't want to talk to you.
No.
No, chill out.
No.
What's your name, bro?
You don't?
Listen.
Latrina. No. No, we don't. No, we don't. We about to be a f***ing team. You gonna do this shit.
You got mad over that?
Yeah, because.
Broke my purse.
Because you know why. You know why.
Told the police that I had bust your lip.
Nobody.
No.
What that man tell you?
He said he saw y'all arguing.
Exactly. That's it.
And that I'm telling you, you can't do no more.
Do what? You say you love me. I don't have nowhere to go. And you know that shit. You know I don't got nobody. You just said this shit. I'm not finna do nothing. You just said this shit
You
though.
said that last time.
You said this shit though. Did you not? You say I don't see you got no family either.
You can go to your
Right?
dad's
I
house.
can't.
Yes, you can.
My dad said no.
You can go to your dad's house.
I see why.
My dad said no,
I
Latrina.
don't know what to tell you, but I can't do
You say you love me. You say you love me. Show me. Show me. Show me.
It's like watching the season of Fiend Mari or Jerry Springer from back in the day.
What you mean? I'm supposed to love
Put your
you.
hands on nobody else.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
I can't do this no more.
Do what? Do what? I show you all my f***ing love. Don't do this.
She wanna do her drugs in peace.
Don't.
I ain't gonna do nothing. I'm about to love.
Don't.
Please go after this.
Don't.
Yes.
Please. Because you say you love me. Latrina, you say you love me. You just said you want to talk to
What do you need an ambulance for?
No, she don't.
I don't want
You
you
trying
no
to be
more.
slick, okay? And I'm gonna do that. Because I don't want to. And you know I love you. You see what I'm, you motherfuckers trying to tase me?
I don't want you.
I do. I'm showing you I can.
Y'all can go ahead and tell me.
This is not a good showing if you're showing it.
You think it's his dad house? You like his dad house?
I'm begging.
No.
I'm begging.
No.
No. I'm telling you, they finna try to come for me.
I don't care.
Well, you finna see me go to jail.
I don't care.
You do care. Yes, you do. So you choose the drugs over me. You choose the drugs over me? That's what you're doing.
Like, I don't want you no more. You
Why though? Because of drugs?
too much.
Because of drugs?
Yeah, she wanna do her stuff in peace. You messing up her peace right now.
This is what it's about. No, because you say you love me. You just told me this shit. You just told me this shit this morning. You just told me.
Move.
No, because you're doing me bogus. You said you would never hurt me. And what are you doing right now? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
You can stop that fake.
No, it ain't. What are you doing?
You do that shit.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Watch out.
What are you doing? Why are you trying to hurt me? Why? Because you know I don't got
Why they ain't closed the door on him yet? Why they keep letting him talk?
nobody else but you.
Move.
I can't even see my son and you know this shit.
You ain't gonna see your child. Move.
Right. Why would you do that when you know I can't see move? Somebody you say you love. You say you love my child. You said you love me. Why are you doing me wrong? After everything we've been
Don't
through.
have my sister number on her.
After everything.
We on.
Your first day over, I let you stay.
You should have known it was a red flag right there.
When you first came over my house, I let you stay. I lost my house on Hines because of us. Oh, no, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Where?
Move. Move.
Bro.
Why are
I
you
don't
doing?
want you.
Yes, you
I
do.
don't love you.
Yes, you
Ooh.
do. Yes, you do.
Ooh.
Why are you doing this? I never did this shit to you. I never tried to hurt you like this and walk out your life.
You gotta move on, King.
I never did that shit. Even after everything you did wrong to me, I still did you right. I still get you everything you want. Everything.
Everything like what?
Everything. So why are you trying to hurt me? No, why are you trying to hurt me? It is. It is because I'm telling you. You say I'm your husband. That's what you said, ain't it?
Oh, y'all not
No, I'm
married,
not.
man.
Bro. Yes, you do. Yes, you do, Latrina. No. You doing it too. Didn't I tell you about your attitude? No, because you know I care about you so much.
When we pulled up, she was on the ground and he was over trying to
get her up. What's that?
After he put her down there. He said he was trying to get her up, but he probably the reason she was down there. Boy, you ninjas ain't shit. Boy.
She gets up. I had them separated for a second, then we kept following her to across the street. I was like, bro, relax.
Why? You made me do that. I'm telling you, they finna come get me. All because you trying to hurt me, and I never did you like that. Never. You told me your uncle raped you, and what I do? Yeah, because I gave you a place to stay. I got kicked out. I got kicked out.
Now he breaking up the past in her face.
For you to do me like this. Be honest.
Hold on, but what you did to the uncle though? I want to know.
I'm homeless because of you. For me.
Yeah, this ambulance coming for him.
Exactly. Because of you. And I'm telling y'all gonna have to take me to jail because I'm boxing. And I'm letting you know I'm finna get busy. No, it's on you. Because I'm telling you, let's just go chill. I told you, let's just go chill. No, I'm not gonna do that.
No, I'm not going home with you and chill.
I ain't say go home. I told you what I gotta do. I told you what I got to do. And I told you what it said. Like, why are you doing me like this? Why are you doing me like that?
Yeah, you got me out here.
I don't got you doing nothing.
And on top of that, when I come home,
do I make you?
Oh, yeah.
Do I make you?
You didn't
I'm really glad to go ahead and tell you. I'm telling you, yes you do.
The man started to get more aggressive, and the police had enough.
Uh-oh.
Get back.
No!
I knew it.
No, come here.
Just sit back.
Someone's taking him to jail.
Just sit back.
What's she gonna get her from now?
Who's my mind right now?
You let her talk to me, please.
Get back.
You see what you did?
I just wanted to talk to you.
You can talk to him.
I want to talk to all y'all in
What do
person.
you want to talk about? There's nothing to talk about.
They were saying that they seen her holding her stomach. She was on the ground. He was trying to get her up. They were saying that they hit each other.
Y'all, please.
And
All right, we're doing this. How about this? We'll talk to
Y'all can go together.
No, I don't want to take him to jail.
Put your
I'm
hands
gonna
behind
lose
your back.
my mind.
Congratulations for going to jail with him.
No!
Stand up.
Please!
You guys had every fucking opportunity to walk away from this, and neither one of you did, so you're both going to jail for domestic.
Facts.
Okay? So you guys can talk to each other out there.
She said we ain't gonna get out.
Well, that's not my fault.
All this could have been avoided.
That is the realest shit I ever heard. Because if I know I can't get out of somewhere, I'm not going.
Did somebody roll his window down for him? It's unlocked.
Oh, my fault.
Here. Double domestic.
And you know what happened, you know what I'm saying, when you in jail, you can't get what you need, so you gonna go through withdrawals. Woo.
They could have avoided all of it.
Bobby and Whitney.
What do you want to talk about, bro?
you gonna stay here? Right there? All right.
And I'm getting that fire. I'm getting all them officers that was out there fired. And I promise you that because I'm being falsely accused right now. And look,
Falsely accused.
white lady, you bogus. You bogus. Because you ain't see me put my hands on her.
Your reason for the ambulance? You say you're having a heart attack?
Oh, get the f out my face till this shit solved, bro. No, I want you to get my face and look at the camera and see how I tell somebody. Right, well, you can get the f out my face, bro. Hey, I do heard what I said. I'm done talking. I ain't say I need one. No, I didn't. I said get the f out my face. I don't want to talk no more.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to leave a like, share, comment as well, as it helps my channel tremendously. But that's it, baby. Out.